Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our live stream here in our YouTube channel. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Take a muna. Let's see what we can do here. Good evening. Hi, shucks, my hair. My hair. Shucks, my hair. Oh no. Napaka bright. Napaka bright. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Ouch. You. Yes, ayusin na muna natin to. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our live stream here in our YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing fine. And we will be talking about parang ano ata yung ating we will be talking about good evening, good evening. Ayan. We will be talking about, tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng pag-usapan natin. What we can talk about. Open na muna tayo ng, mm, turun, 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 tan, tan. Any topic that you would like to cover tonight, let me know in the comment section. Cool. Mm-hmm. All right. Medyo ano kasi mata natin eh. Sumasakit na yung mata natin eh. Yeah, it's a bit mas cool yung may glasses tayo. Tapos ilalagay natin dito. Ayan, para mas cool. Lagay natin sa ilong natin. Good evening, everyone. Ayan. Oops. All right. Cool. Good evening, good evening. All right. So, we will be talking about um, simplifying algebraic fractions. I guess thank you for our three viewers tonight. Our simplifying of algebraic expressions. We will be talking about how to simplify them. Stream health. My health. My stream is excellent. What happened? Hmm. Let me check what happened. Connecting. Um. Oh. Oh. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Test mic one two. Hello, hello. Am I back? Am I back? I hope so. Let's see. It says I have an excellent connection, but I don't see. Okay. Should I? Should I? Um, am I back? Um, is my stream back? I think so. Yes, I think I'm back. I think I'm back. Okay. Is it? Is it back? Is it back now? Oh, am I back now? I think so. Yep, I think. Mhm. All right. So I guess I'm back. Okay. So we will be talking about algebraic algebraic fraction. How do we manipulate and work on algebraic fraction? Okay. So let's say, for example, you are given um, something is really. Okay, so algebraic fractions. We talk about algebraic fractions. So, for example, if we have, let's say, 9x 9x cubed minus 16x over 6x plus 8. So if you're given this type of algebraic fractions, what you can do is you factor out first. Factor out what are common between the terms in your numerator, and then you factor out as well what are common between the terms of your denominator. So for this case, between 9x cubed minus 16x, the only common thing here is your x. So you factor out x, that's 9x squared minus 16 over factoring 6x and 8, the common is 2. So you factor out 2, you'll have 3x plus 4. Now 9x squared minus 16 is two perfect squares. 9 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So we will apply the difference of two squares. So this will be x times 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4 over 2, 3x plus 4. So what is common here is 3x plus 4. So you take out 3x plus 4, you will have x times 3x minus 4 over 2. Then you can put x back so that you don't have brackets. So that will be 3x squared minus 4x over 2. So that's your final answer. Oh my goodness, it cannot be seen because it's the back of my fluffy hair. So I'll place it here, 3x squared minus 4x over 2. That will be your final answer. All right. Okay. Cool. So let's have another example. Okay. So let's say you're given x squared plus 3x plus 2, and then you have x cubed minus x. So if you have an x squared plus 3x plus 2, what you can do is you factor out your numerator, and then you factor out as well your denominator. A good evening. Love the new glasses. Really? Do you love them new glasses? I look old. Old. Is it? I look like I look old. Okay. So going back to this, will we play Quick Flash? If yes, please do. Yes, we will play Quick Flash if we have enough players. Okay, so we factor out the numerator and we factor out as well the denominator. So since you have x squared plus 3x plus 2, this is a form of a quadratic expression. You have an x squared, you have a 3x, you have a 2. So then you do the factoring of quadratic expression. So x squared plus 3x plus 2, factors of 2 is 2 times 1, where 2 plus 1 will give you 6. Sorry, will give you 3. Okay, and then you factor out between x cubed and x, common is x. So you factor out x squared minus 1. Now, x squared minus 1, which is in your denominator, the x squared minus 1 in your denominator is actually a perfect square, a difference of two squares. So you need to factor that out. That's x plus 2, x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. Then you cancel out what is common, which is x plus 1. You will have, I'll have it here. You will have x plus 2 on top and then x times x minus 1 below. And then you put back your x to remove the brackets. So x plus 2 over x squared minus x. By the way, if the denominator contains brackets, it's not necessary that you need to simplify it if it is the denominator. Okay? All right. Let's have another example. Okay. All right. Okay, so another example. Let's say you have 2x squared minus xy minus y squared over x squared y minus xy squared. So the first thing that you have to do is factor out the numerator. So that's 2x, x, y, y. So this is minus, this is plus. Okay, that's the factor. So when you do factoring, you have to think of the last term. When you multiply, you do the FOIL method, you will get the middle term as the sum. And then you have x squared y minus xy squared. So common is x and y. So you factor out x and y. You will have x minus y. Cancel x minus y. So you'll have 2x plus y on top over xy. That's the final answer. That's it. All right. Cool. Is cool book cool? Oh no. All right. Okay. So moving on. I do not know what is wrong, seriously. But I'm not getting the signal. I'm not getting the signal. I don't know what's wrong. Mhm. Okay, cool. All right. So, moving on. Let's have another example. Let's see. Okay. So, what if you have um, addition of algebraic expression? For example, you have 1x plus 2 over y. So it will be the same rule when you add or subtract. Sorry, fractions. You can only add or subtract when you have the same denominator. Okay. So to make this the same denominator, 1 over x here, I need to multiply this by y. Ooh, it's too big. It's too big. No, it's water. And then plus 2y. And then multiply this with xx. Okay, so that you will have y over xy plus 2x over xy. The other way of doing this is you will need to cross multiply. Okay, so cross and then multiply. So that will be y plus 2x over xy. That's also one of the ways to do it. It will be exactly the same. Either the one on the left or either the one on the right, it will be exactly the same. So you don't need to think of, okay, I should find what could complete it. You can just cross multiply it, and that will basically give you the answer. Okay, so then that's your final answer, nothing else. Okay, all right, let's move on to another example. Okay, so let's say you have 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 1. So the same thing, you can do cross multiplication. It's actually not a problem. You can do cross multiplication and then you will get the answer. So cross multiply, that's 1 times x plus 1 plus 1 times x over x times x plus 1. Then you distribute, that's x plus 1 plus x over x times x plus 1. Then you combine like terms, you will have 2x plus 1 over x times x plus 1. And that's your answer. Okay. Cool. Any questions so far? All right. Okay, moving on. Let's have another example. So, um, what if you have, let's say, oh, sorry. What if you have, let's say, a 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1? So if you have this type of questions, the first thing that you have to do is factor out x squared minus 1 first. You have to factor out what is every single thing of your denominator so that you would know what is the common denominator, the least common denominator, the LCD, so that you can put them together. So that will be, sorry, that's too big for, too long, sorry, not too big. So that will be x minus 1, x plus 1, and then 2x plus 1 on top, and then you have x minus 1 as well below. And since you have common, the common here is this one, x minus 1, which is in both. And so since that's common, then you will have x minus 1 as one of the factor, and of course x plus 1, so that you will get the whole first numerator, denominator, sorry. And then if you multiply it, cross multiply, x minus 1 is in the first fraction already, so you don't need it on top of it. And then you just need to add, that's plus, because this is plus, so this will also be plus 1 times x plus 1. So you only have x plus 1 on this side because you have x minus 1 as the denominator. Okay, and then you just need to combine over x minus 1 times x plus 1. Therefore, your final answer will be 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 plus 1. So that's your final answer. Cool. Question. Clarification. All right. Any questions so far? Let's see if you have questions. Any question? Um, yes. I think I have to transfer my live in in Facebook. What do you think? Hello. Okay. Summer mommy. Summer na me. Oh, summer na mo? Cool. So, ay ginabuhat every day. Are we going to play kung tulora ta kabuok? Let me know before I end the live. Ten, 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 ten. Are we going to play Quick Flash? Para-pa-pa-pa. Oh my goodness. Ganyara kong sig panghuyab, uy. If not, then I guess we will be just live for 40 minutes. Yes. We'll play ta. Tulo raman ta kabuok. There is only three of us. Just the two of us. Okiyas. Turutun. I might. I think I'll transfer to Facebook for my live. Okay, modula ta. All right. Sure, sure, sure. pa, apil, pail, pail, pail si ate. O si pail. Ha, why man ma'am transfer? Because, ay, sa, wala nas batong bakal mo gani. And there's, ma'am, pwede pag-abot na mo. Okay. Take over vlogs ni mo. Sige. Wala na ganin ko naghimo og mga video sa YouTube. Uy, nagamit na ako akong name. Hello, hello. Yo, yo, yo. I shall join. Okay. Hey, join, join, join. Shall I join? Yes. Thank you for our 6 viewers tonight. Excuse me. Anyone else? Hello. Hi, hi, Ning. So, okay na to, Ning. Maning. We're good. Two. Okay, Ruby is all right. Let's start. Let's start the game. I think everyone is here. Are we going to start now? Mm, 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 mm. Good. Are we good? Can we start? Okay, let's guard. Let's guard. Let's start. Go, 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 go. Let's go. 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Quick flash.
Welcome to Quiplash. I'm your host, Schmitty. If you want a different host, play a different game.
Yes, you
I
play a
want
different
each of
game.
you to give 110%. I got a lot of money on this. Time for round one. You'll get 2 prompts on your device. Just answer them however you want. Your responses, or quips, will be pitted against someone else's, and everyone will vote on their favorite. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
Okay. Okay, I've answered it. Let's go.
Hurry. Hit the safety quit button if you can't think of something.
Come on.
Let's start this show.
Let's
Up
see.
first, the worst thing to have written on the butt area of your shorts. Okay, choose your favorite.
What? Num 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 num.
Next, what unicorn flatulence smells like. It's voting time. Yo, yes.
Let's see.
Next prompt. Why Wolverine can't make a relationship work. Get to voting.
Hoo, 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 hoo. One. Nice one.
Next on the list. What word should never be followed by an exclamation mark?
Exclamation.
Vote away.
Exclamaciones. Exclamación. Num 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 num. Someone did not both. Both.
Round one is behind us. Let's see how you scored.
Yay. I'm the fuzz.
Now round two, where all points and bonuses are doubled.
Okay.
Oh, drama.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun. Dun, 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 dun. Cool.
Time to share. First one, a fun activity that only requires 3 fingers.
Chicken feet.
Okay, everyone,
Thumbs
vote
up.
for your favorite.
What kind of activity is this? 3 fingers. Chicken feet. That's not an activity. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's go.
Okay, next one.
Next
How
one.
Lady Gaga sleeps every night. Ready, set.
One eye open. One eye open. One eye open. Yum num 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 num.
Next in the hopper, the name of a restaurant that only serves grade D meat.
D for
And
degraded demita. I like it. Wow, new glasses. I
Next
like
one.
it. I
You know
like
the
it.
old
I
saying,
like it.
beer before liquor. Vote on
Nakuha
your
na ni mo,
devices.
ate? Beer before liquor. Is any answer washing? Washing machine. Yes. Oh, okay. Nice, nice, nice.
Round 2 is no more. Let's see the damage.
Let's see the damage. Let's see. Oh no! Someone overtook my place.
We've made it to round 3, the last lash. Focus up because you're all answering the same prompt.
Okay. All right.
Complete the comic.
Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? And galabad pa imong ulo, ate. Is it still labaderns? Dun, 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 dun. Not na. Okay.
Okay, soak it in. In the
Soak
final
it
round,
in.
you can give out 1 gold and 1 silver medal to your top 2 quips. Make them count.
No, why are you hunting me? Not na. Okay, nice. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Okay, let's see who got those medals. Bring out the silver. And now the gold. Let's sell off those medals for points.
Ah. Let's see who
That's all.
won.
Now for the final scores.
Let's see. Oh no, Almoranas. Almoranas. Almoranas won. Not bad, not bad. Nice one, nice one. Nice game, nice game. Congratulations, Almoranas. Thank you so much. And that is the end of our live stream tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for everyone who's here. Thank you for 7 viewers tonight. Appreciate it. And that will be the end of our live stream. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, welcome. Congratulations, Almoranas. Congrats to me. Congrats, Almoranas. Congratulations. We'll see again next week. I'm still thinking whether I'll transfer to Facebook. Because goodbye. Night. Good night. God bless po sa lahat. I'll see you next week for another nice and more topics to come. Hopefully still here in our YouTube channel, or we'll see if I'll be transferring to Facebook. See you next week, same time, same channel. Yours truly, Teacher Maria, saying good night, God bless, and have a good week ahead. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye.